Are you going to be there? Are you going to be there? I need your opinion on something. I need your opinion on something. She will be calling you later. She will be calling you later. Is there a grocery store around? Is there a grocery store around? Are you available to talk right now? Are you available to talk right now? Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. What do you know about that? What do you know about that? I didn't expect you to arrive earlier than me. I didn't expect you to arrive earlier than me.